Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss why backpropagation is needed. Now that we know that backpropagation is, let us understand why it is actually needed. In a multi-layer neural network, the final output does not depend on a single weight. Instead, it depends on many weights distributed across different layers. As information flows from the input layer through one or more hidden layers and finally reaches the output layer, every neuron, every weight contributes to the final prediction. After the network makes a prediction, we compare it with the actual target value and compute the error. Error equals to target minus output. Now comes the real challenge. Suppose the network makes a mistake. How do we know which weight is responsible for that mistake? Should we change the weights in the output layer? Should we change the weights in the hidden layer? Or should all weights be adjusted? This is exactly what problem that backpropagation solves. Backpropagation works by sending the error backward to the network, starting from the output layer and moving toward the input layer. As the error travels backward, the algorithm calculates how much weight contributed to the final error and updates the weight accordingly. This allows the network to learn efficiently and gradually reduce the prediction error over time.